Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to learn how to link elements to a document. Let's get started. Click on the element that you want to link your document to, and then go to link on the action bar above. Click on choose a link and this window will open. Here, make sure that you go to the document tab. Click choose file and click on upload media. Click on Upload from Computer and select the file that you wish to upload or link to your element. Then click Open and wait for it to finish uploading. Once it's finished, it'll show up here, so select it and click on Choose File. Then click on Done. And our document has successfully been linked to our selected element. And basically, that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.